Samsung is once again planning to change its usual software update schedule. This time, the company is preparing to release the One UI 8.5 beta much earlier than expected, which has surprised many Samsung fans. Even though the rollout of One UI 8, based on Android 16, is still in progress, reports say Samsung is already getting ready to launch a public beta program for One UI 8.5. This is unusual because Samsung normally does not release beta programs for mid-cycle updates like this, according to Sammobile. The One UI 8.5 beta could be available as early as the last week of November, possibly around November 24th. This is much earlier than usual and shows that Samsung wants to speed up its software development process. After facing some delays with One UI 7.0, the company now seems focused on improving efficiency and collecting user feedback earlier to make its updates smoother and more stable. Normally, Samsung releases public betas only for major One UI versions that come with its new flagship phones. But this time, One UI 8.5 will be different. The beta program will let users test the new software, share their feedback, and help Samsung fine-tune the performance before the stable version is released this early. Testing is very important because One UI 8.5 is expected to launch officially with the Galaxy S26 series next year. Interestingly, Samsung is skipping smaller updates like One UI 8.1 or 8.2 and going straight to 8.5. This suggests that the update will be bigger and more meaningful than a typical mid-cycle update. Reports say that One UI 8.5 will come with both new design elements and deeper functionality improvements, likely based on Android 16 QPR2. This means users can expect more than just small visual tweaks. The update could bring real changes in performance and usability. Samsung hasn't officially announced which devices will be eligible for the beta, but looking at past patterns, flagship phones from the last 2 years are expected to be included. This likely means the Galaxy S25 series and the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will be among the first to get access. As usual, the beta will probably be limited to a few regions such as the US, South Korea, Germany, and India if the beta does launch in late November. That timing will fit nicely with the expected stable release early next year. This would align with the Galaxy S26 series launch, giving users the chance to experience the new software right when Samsung's next flagship phones are released. The early beta also gives Samsung time to fix bugs and optimize the system before the full rollout. Launching the beta earlier than usual shows that Samsung is taking a more aggressive and confident approach to software development. Instead of focusing on small updates, the company is aiming to deliver a bigger, better, and more polished upgrade. It's also a smart move to build excitement ahead of the Galaxy S26 launch, letting users get a taste of what's coming before the official release. One UI 8.5 is expected to bring both visual and practical improvements. The design might feature smoother animations, updated icons, and improved themes, while the functionality could include better system stability, faster performance, and smoother integration between Samsung's apps and services. The overall experience should feel more refined and efficient for users. Samsung's decision to open the beta early also shows confidence in the new version by letting select users test the update. Samsung can gather real-world data, find and fix potential issues, and make sure the final release is as stable as possible. This can help reduce bugs and give users around the world a smoother update experience once the stable version is ready. For those who get into the beta program, it will be a great chance to try new features early and share feedback directly with Samsung. This feedback can help shape the final version of One UI 8.5, making it more user-friendly and reliable. It also shows that Samsung values its users' opinions and wants to make updates based on real user experiences. Overall, Samsung is breaking from its usual update routine with One UI 8.5 by starting the beta early and skipping smaller updates. The company is showing ambition and commitment to giving users a faster and better experience. If everything goes according to plan, users could get One UI 8.5 much sooner than expected, likely around the time the Galaxy S26 series launches. This move proves that Samsung is listening to its users and working hard to make its software updates more efficient and user-focused. Fans who have been hoping for quicker, smoother updates will likely be happy with this change. If the beta starts in late November as expected. Users in select regions will be the first to explore the new features and improvements, marking the beginning of a faster and smarter update strategy from Samsung.